Let's talk about the simple present tense. For daily things and truths, it's really immense. With I, you, we, and they, just use the base form. He, she, and it add a s to keep it warm. For I and you, we, and they, just use the base form every day. I eat, you play, we run, and they sing. Simple present, it's a beautiful thing. I eat, you play, we run, and they sing. He eats, she plays, it runs, and it brings. I eat, you play, we run, and they sing. Simple present rules, you've got the full thing. I eat, you play, we run, and they sing. He eats, she plays, it runs, and it brings. Adds all rest to he, she, and it. Simple present rules, you've got the gist. For verbs like watch or fix, here's a trick. Add is for he, she, and it to pick. He watches TV, she fixes the car. Simple present rules, you've got the gist. I eat, you play, we run, and they sing. He eats, she plays, it runs, and it brings. Adds all rest to he, she, and it. Simple